guys, I need your help. Okay, so recently I just bought this. What? My thing's bugging.
Mason.
Shut up.
Base.
Shh. They shouldn't know my real name. So I recently just bought. Bro, go away. And I just bought this. Okay. Why am I bald? Okay. I'm not gonna keep the helmet on, but I want to ask you. Do I look good in this? Because I think I do. If you like it, W's. If you don't like it, L's in the chat. Okay, we'll put your votes in. It will last a week, and then I'll decide. Okay? Subscribe.